Most people earn money and watch it disappear before the month even ends. Most people spend their whole life filling the wrong bucket and wonder why they're always broke. Poor people buy things that lose value. Rich people buy things that make them more money while they sleep.
Compound interest is the most powerful force in wealth building. Your money makes money, which makes more money.
It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you think. One question separates the rich mindset from everyone else. Rich people never rely on one income stream. When one dries up, and it will, the others keep them safe.
An employee sells time for money. An investor makes money sell time for them. That's the real difference. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start to become rich. Plant your seed today.